Did it scare you? Maybe not, but this was terrifying for me. I have wanted to create a personal project to improve my skills for a long time, but between work and family, I struggled to find both the time and the energy to take on something that could really push me forward. Spending even an hour in front of the computer after work, that felt like a big leap. And let's not forget, I have always had a phobia of spiders, and crabs too, since they are basically spiders in armor. I'm serious, they creep me out. So I decided to roll up all these fears and put them into a new animation project in Blender. I hope you enjoy it, and maybe even get inspired by it, because I sincerely gave it my best try. Don't get me wrong, I love personal projects and exploring 3D software, but trying something completely new and better than anything I have done before felt daunting, especially since my rigging and animation skills needed a boost. I have always dreamed of making a short film, but balancing that with a full-time job, that's a mountain to climb. So I figured, maybe a short film is too ambitious for now, but what about a single scene with a character? Easy, right? Well, maybe not easy, but I'm proud I made it through the end. The Blender community has been a huge help. Everything you see in this video has a tutorial out there, and that's amazing. I even plan on making some tutorials of my own in the future. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see, and of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. You know the drill. Thanks for watching.